Dun, dun. Drop the coal down. Say, here you go. Here you go. Get ready for it. There you go. Good job. Uh-oh, did the coal fall out? Try it again. Do it again. Do it again. Put the coal in. You have to put the coal in. Can you say coal? What? Say it one more time. Coal. I think you're saying cold. One more. Other way. Yay! Good job. Good job. You put the coal in. You got to put the coal back in. Put it back in. Okay, Choo Choo, you ready to pick up the coal?
Yeah.
Put him back in. Put the coal back in. There you go. Then put the Choo Choo underneath and ask him if he's ready. Are you ready? Ask him if he's ready, Choo Choo.
Ready, Choo Choo.
Other way. Yay! Good job, Choo Choo Train. Good job. Down the mine shaft. Tyler, can you say mine shaft? Good job. Yeah, that is your police car. You getting sidetracked now? Police car. I love you, police car. Police car.
I need you, police car.